Ay, fui. Some mosquito tried to eat me. Today I'm going to do my stretching flow in the park, and I really hope you will join me. And if you're on my channel now, don't forget and smash button subscribe. It means really a lot to me. And let's start. We're gonna start our workout from our first exercise, and we go up. Baby, can you see my full body in camera? And let's stretch our back. Let's continue without our sport mat to feel grass. Let's stretch our back. Guys, do you hear the sound of grass? I'm so happy to be outside. Let's place our elbows on the floor. And let's look in front of us. Going down and up. And let's straighten our arms and lay our chest. Push yourself to the ground. Let's go to next exercise. We are going straight our leg. I'm gonna have dirty feet. And let's push our leg. And let's switch side. I swear, somewhere in grass I saw a bee and I'm a little bit afraid she will bite me. Okay. And let's continue to work with our back to stretch it. Ouch.